My name is Nmesoma, but everybody knows me as Mimi. Welcome to a day in my life. 5 years ago, I lived a life that basically had no structure. I was a young girl with big dreams who just wanted to bring home good results to my parents. Well, I did that, but I felt like my life basically had no meaning, and I wanted to give meaning to that life. A typical day in my life actually differs. I usually wake up every morning between 9 to 9:30 a.m., pray to God, have my bath, brush my teeth, get dressed, get prepped, and leave for the office. So I'm currently on my way to one of my favorite restaurants in Rwanda. I would like to pick up coffee and a quick snack just before I head to the office. And I like to refer to myself as a hyper-hyphenate and creative strategist, just because I wear so many hats across marketing, communication, storytelling, content creation, and even program management. But let me just you. So usually whenever people ask me about my ALU experience, I always let them know that it's literally one of the best decisions that I made in my adult years. And I say this because ALU made me uncomfortable. I know for so many people, uncomfortable means negative to them. But for me, uncomfortable changed my life. While still working at Kigali Forward, I have the opportunity to still pursue my passions and interests in content creation, even down to my social life, and also focusing on Lunch with MK as well. Growth looks different for everybody. But for me, the times that I have achieved growth are peak moments where I have been able to address setbacks. And let me explain. I know I mentioned initially that ALU made me uncomfortable in a positive way. But setbacks generally for me could occur when I make an application and I get a rejection. Now, the action you take after that rejection determines how you grow. And being able to learn how to take responsibility and lead, and being able to learn how to do hard things in every single aspect of my life. And so I always tell people, begin with the end in mind. And that is one quote that I'm going to leave. ALU made me realize that you have to have an end goal and ultimately work towards that.